Hello my pumpkins, in this video I'll show you how to make a beautiful water lily using pipe cleaners and bit of creativity. Let's get started. First we begin by making the large petals. Take a pipe cleaner and measure 7 cm. Fold it down and twist the end to attach it into the base wire using the bottom end. Thread it through the top, then once again through the bottom and twist off the end to secure it. Repeat this process until you have 7 loops in total. Next, we move on to the medium-sized petals. The process is very similar to the first one, but this time we measure 6.5 cm. Fold the pipe cleaner, attach it, twist it in the same way and simply cut off the extra end. Just like before, we'll need 7 of these petals. Now let's make the small petals. Take one pipe cleaner and cut it exactly in half. Using 1/2, measure 3.5 cm and form a loop. Follow the same method as before to twist it and secure it. In total, we'll need 5 small petals. After that, we'll move on to creating green base that goes under the flower. Take a piece of cardboard and use a compass to draw a circle. Mine has a diameter of 14 cm. Cut out 2 identical circles. Then from one of the circles, cut out a small pie-shaped piece. We'll start covering the cardboard with green pipe cleaners. First, glue a pipe cleaner over the cutout section. This helps to hide the exposed edge of the cardboard. Once that part is covered, begin attaching green pipe cleaners all around the circle. I used a lot of pieces, around 8 at a time. Glue them down in bunches and then align the loose ends with the outer edge of the circle. Press and arrange the pipe cleaners to follow the shape of the base. Once the whole surface is covered, glue the second cardboard circle onto the back to keep everything neat and tidy. Next, we'll make the center of the flower. Take one yellow pipe cleaner and cut it in half. Roll one of the halves into a tight spiral and glue the end to secure it. To add more detail, use some small plastic stamens, cut them in half and glue them around the spiral center. Please be careful with the hot glue here, as this part can take time and it's easy to burn your fingers. Now it's time to attach the petals. Start by gluing the large petal evenly around the base. Then take the medium petals and glue them in between the large ones to create a layered look. Then place the small petals right in the center. Finally, glue the center part of the flower into the middle of the petals. And finally, let's add a realistic finishing touch. I added a bit of blush to the edges of the petals to give them a soft pink gradient. And that is it, our water lily is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIYs. See you next time, bye bye!